All right, in this video, we are going to work on the following problem. It says use a calculator to solve the following equation for theta on the interval from negative 90 degrees to positive 90 degrees. Okay, and the equation is tan of theta equals negative 2/5. All right, so what we are going to do is use the inverse trigonometric functions. And in this case, right, we have tan theta equals negative 2/5. If we take the tan inverse of both sides, so in other words, plug the left-hand side into the tan inverse function and then plug the right-hand side into the tan inverse function, okay? Then over here on the left-hand side, what we will get is just theta, right? The Greek letter theta. And the reason for that is if we go back and look at these properties that we have for the tan inverse, and the other inverse trigonometric functions have these same properties as well, we can see that we have this property here, tan inverse of tan x equals x for negative pi over 2, x between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. And in this problem, that is where we are operating, right? And they tell us from minus 90 degrees to 90 degrees, okay? So it has this property that tan inverse of tan theta on that interval, these are inverses of each other, and so we will just get theta in there. And then to evaluate this right-hand side, we are going to use a calculator. All right, and so notice how they say they want the answer between negative 90 degrees and 90 degrees. That's their way of telling you that they want the answer in degrees, not radians. So what we will do is pull up our calculator and then take the tan inverse of 2/5 and making sure that we are in degree mode. All right, so checking we're in degree mode, so that's good. Nothing to change, and I want to do the inverse tangent of negative 2/5. All right, and to however many decimal places, we have negative 21, let's say 2 decimal places. Negative 21.80, and this is in degrees. So let's see. It's lagging a little bit. But that would be the answer there. Unfortunately, my iPad is lagging here. All right, so that's it on this one. Normally I would write that. Oops, there we go. Great. All right, so let's do it this way. When you write the answer, just make sure that you put the degree symbol on there. Well, you'll be taking it on Newton, so they probably don't want you to put the degree symbol in there. But anyway, just writing it correctly would look like this. Theta equals 21.80 degrees on that one. Okay? All right, and that is it on this one.